Soorty Textile BD Limited. In the realm of textile manufacturing, one company stands out not only for its size, but also for its unwavering commitment to sustainability and innovation. Soorty Enterprises Private Limited, based in Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan, has evolved from a modest garment tailoring shop in the early 1980s into Pakistan's largest and most sustainable vertically integrated denim company with a global footprint. A sustainable vision. Soorty's journey towards becoming an industry leader in sustainable denim manufacturing is nothing short of remarkable. What started as a small tailor shop has transformed into a sprawling empire that includes state-of-the-art spinning and denim fabric mills, factories offering quality cut-to-pack facilities, technologically advanced laundries, and in-house thread manufacturing. The most impressive aspect of this transformation is Soorty's increasing reliance on clean and renewable energy sources to power its operations. Global reach. While Soorty's roots are firmly planted in Pakistan, its reach extends far beyond its home country. The company has expanded its production footprint into Bangladesh, showcasing its commitment to providing employment opportunities and contributing to economic growth in multiple regions. This global presence also aligns with Soorty's forward-thinking approach, enabling the company to stay connected to international trends and market demands. Community impact. Soorty understands the importance of being a responsible corporate citizen. Beyond its remarkable achievements in sustainability and innovation, the company uses denim as a force for good within its communities. This means actively engaging in community development initiatives, supporting local causes, and creating a positive impact on the lives of those it serves. Explore products of Soorty Enterprises. If you're intrigued by Soorty's impressive journey and want to explore their offerings further, visit their website at www.soorty.com. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast, an eco-conscious consumer, or someone interested in the textile industry, Soorty's story is an inspiring example of how a commitment to sustainability and innovation can redefine an entire industry. Soorty Enterprises Private Limited is not just a textile manufacturing giant, it's a trailblazer in sustainability, innovation, and responsible manufacturing practices. With its global presence and dedication to making a positive impact on the world, Soorty is leading the way towards a more sustainable and ethical future for the denim industry. Source Soorty Enterprise Denim Products from Zaray. If you're interested in sourcing denim products or activewear from Soorty Enterprise in Pakistan, you've come to the right place. Zaray has a vast network of reliable and credible suppliers who help make your sourcing process efficient and fast. With a global reach, Zaray can customize your orders according to your desired design, material, quantity, and other necessary specifications.